Hello guys, your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you guys a brand new step-by-step method that you can use to make sales fast with clickbank and YouTube. So let's get right into the video. So the first step you have to do, you have to go to the clickbank marketplace, and you're going to scroll down to the last place where it says date added to the clickbank market, date added to marketplace. So what this means is that this is when products have been added to the clickbank marketplace, and this little bar so what you have to do is to click on this little red bar and scroll it to like the last 2 months to the current date. Today is the 22nd of July 2019. So you're going to scroll it down like to last 2 months. The products have been recently added to in the last 2 months on clickbank. The next step you're going to do is you're going to click and search and set. You're going to click and sort by gravity. So you're going to see the recently added products on clickbank and the top performing products that have been recently added that are selling well on clickbank. So with this method is that you're going to be making review videos on YouTube, but you don't have to be on camera and you don't have to speak on a microphone. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this and get a lot of traffic and make sales with this. So the next thing you have to do is, for example, these are new products that have just been added to the clickbank marketplace. So for example, if I click on this one, Yantra Manifestation 2019, this is a new product that have been recently added to the clickbank marketplace like 2 months ago. So what the next step I have to do is this: I have to search this name. I have to search this Yantra Manifestation review on Google. So I'm just going to search Yantra Manifestation. I'm just going to search Yantra Manifestation review on Google. So as you can see, guys, this is a new product and there's not a lot of videos that are ranking on Google for this particular product. So what you have to do is that you have to create a video as well, so that your videos can be ranking at the top. Once people are searching for reviews about this product, your own video is also going to be at the top. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the reviews of this product. So you're going to see blogs that have already written reviews about this particular product, so you don't have to buy the product and review it yourself. So you just have to click on the results that come up on Google. So this is a review about the product, everything step by step. So the next thing you have to do is you're going to copy this review and rewrite it. So for example, this is Yantra Manifestation. If I wanted to create a review video about Yantra Manifestation, I don't have to go and do all the research and write all the review about this product. I just have to search for a review that is already on Google, and I'm going to rewrite what is already here and turn it into a video. So for this example, what you have to do is just copy the introduction as written in this article. So you're just going to click on and copy like the first part. You're just going to copy the first part and go to a website called Free Article Spinner. So this is the website, Free Article Spinner. Once you go to this website, it enables you to spin the text around so that it's not the same words that is on this page that is going to be in your video. So you're just going to copy like this first part and put it in the article spinner. So you're just going to click and paste. Just verify that you're not a robot, and that is it. Just click spin text. That is it. The text has been spin. It's the same content, but it has been done in a different way. So with this method, what you are going to do is that you're just going to copy all this text and you're going to spin it on this free article spinner. And so the next step you are going to do with this text is you are going to go to a website called Content Samurai, contentsamurai.com. What this what this website will do is that it will enable you to make videos. You're going to create easy videos. So you're just going to go to contentsamurai.com and sign up for a free trial. You can start a 7-day free trial. Once you start this free trial, then it's going to take you to a dashboard, to their dashboard where you can create videos. It's going to take you to this screen at contentsamurai.com. So once you are in the app, you can easily create simple videos without speaking to a microphone or being on camera. So once you are in Content Samurai, the next thing you have to do is you're just going to click on create video. Once you click on create video, you're just going to select a template that you want the video to be like, the size of the video. So for this method, I'm just going to use on video from an article or blog post. So it's going to create a high definition video like this one. So you can just select any template. So you just click on select template and use this template. So what you have to do next is that you're just going to click on this. You're just going to go back to the review article on Google that is ranking at the top, which means that it's keyword optimized. So you're going to rank very well on YouTube and on Google when people are searching for this review. So you're just going to click on the introduction and copy it and put on the free article spinner. Once you spin it, you are going to copy on this output text, on the text that has been spinned on this free article spinner. You copy the text and you're just going to go to Content Samurai where it says script. Because once you have selected the template, and use this template, it's going to take you to a screen called script where you can paste the script of, you can paste your script and it will automatically create a video for you without you being on camera or talking on the microphone. So you're just going to click on paste. And the next thing you're going to do is you're just going to go back to the same article and copy this headline. Copy the headline and you're going to paste as well into Content Samurai. So next you have to do is you're just going to copy the next paragraph of the review article. Just going to copy the paragraph. Let me see. Copy. Go back to free article spinner. Click Ctrl A and delete everything inside here and paste this next paragraph of text. Click on confirm I'm not a robot and just click on spin text. And copy this output text. Go back to Content Samurai and click and paste it inside it. Next you have to still go back to Content Samurai. So you're just going back to Content Samurai. You're just going back to the review article and copy the next headline and paste back at Content Samurai. So that is it, guys. You just have to go copy the next paragraph, spin it at the free article spinner. Copy the output text and put it at Content Samurai to create your video. So you're just going to do this, copy the headline, then spin the text and go back to Content Samurai and put the script of the review article. So you're just going to do the same thing and put in the pros and the cons putting the pros and the cons text inside Content Samurai. You're just going to do same. For example, if I just copy all this text, I put it on the free article spinner, it's going to spin it. And that is it. Just copy and paste it. Just copy and paste it in Content Samurai. You're just going to do this, and that is it. And like You're just going to do this and click on the conclusion. You just have to copy the text and spin it back. Then you're going to put a call to action to the video. For example, you're just write at the end of the video, just write like, click on the link below to get the yantra manifestation program. So that's it. You're going to add a simple call to action since this is going to be a video. So you're just going to do step by step. You have to go through step by step. Copy and spin the text, copy and spin the text, and you're going to put a simple call to action at the end of the video. So once you have done that, you can do this with any other clickbank product that is new. When you have done that, you just click on click on scenes, then just click on voiceover. With voiceover, what it enables you to do is to add a voiceover to the video. So just click on auto voice. With auto voice, it enables you to choose different voices that can speak on the video. You can read the script in your video. So for example, I'm just going to choose Heidi. You can play an example and see a sample how the voice plays out. So for example, you click on play sample.
Hi, my name is Heidi and I would love to read the script for your...
And that's the guy. You can choose any of the languages, any of the speakers to read your text.
Hi, my name is Anna and I would love to...
So I'm just going to choose Heidi and click on preview video. So it's going to create the scenes of the video. So we're going to come back to this once it's done. With this method, guys, you can use any of these products, any of these new products that a lot of people are still searching on YouTube. You can on YouTube for the reviews of these videos, for the reviews of these products. So these are new products that are still coming out. So there's a lot of traffic still going to these products, and a lot of people are searching for it. For example, if you go to similar web, if you go to this website, and if you go to this website, this new product yantra manifestation, just copy the address and go back to your website. Go to similarweb.com and paste the URL there to see the traffic that this website is getting. As you can see, guys, this product is still new and the traffic is still going up, which means that a lot of people are still going to search for these products, for the reviews of these products on YouTube and Google. And as your video is already created, they're going to see your review and you're going to make a lot of sales with this method. So search for products that are still coming up new on clickbank. Search for review on Google. Take the text, search for the review of the products on Google. You're just going to search for review of the product on Google. For example, you can take any other product. For example, instant manifestation secrets. You just search on Google for the review of the product. So that's it, guys. This is a second product, instant manifestation secrets, a new product that just come out on clickbank. What you have to do is go to Google and search for the review of these products. So for example, these are already reviews that have been written on blogs on Google. As you can see, there are no videos that are ranking. There are only some few videos that are ranking for this product. So there are only two videos that are ranking for this instant manifestation secrets review. So you can put your video out right now. So as the traffic for this website is still increasing and they're searching for review on Google and YouTube, your video is going to be at the top of the Google rankings and the YouTube rankings, and you're going to make a lot of sales from this. For example, this a review. You click on the review. So these people have already done all the hard work for us. They have already looked into the product. They have already taken the time to write the review. So all what we have to do is to copy this review, spin it, and make a video out of this review and rank it on Google. So you can use any other products. There are many products, and you have to look for products that are new and they are selling, so the gravity is good. You have to look for a product that has a gravity from at least 10, which means that the product is converting well, so you don't have to waste your time on a product that is not converting. So you can choose any of these products. There are a ton of products that are converting well and have been recently added. So just choose any of these products, search for the review on Google, and copy the text and put on free article spinner, copy the output text, and click on Content Samurai. Go to Content Samurai and paste it there and create a free video. So for example, this is the preview of the video. Our video is done, so you can just click on the preview and see how the video is. So let me click on the preview.
All of us has a few dreams and objectives throughout our life. As we as a whole know, it isn't simpler to accomplish everything throughout everyday life. Every individual has duties and battles. Disappointments may assault any individuals during satisfaction, well-being, and riches. How does it work? Yantra Manifestation gives you the key to open your capability to finish wealth. This program is easy to utilize and learn are benevolent. So you don't need yourself to enable everything in your life. This program is accessible at a reasonable cost. It is easy to understand and profoundly solid. Click below to get to the Yantra Manifestation program.
So that is it, guys. The video is done. The video is done for you at Content Samurai. You don't have to create a scene, so you just have to paste the text and just choose the voice over that you want. Choose the voiceover that you want on the video, and after the video is done, you just have to click on this download button and it's going to generate your video. Just click on generate video. Once it generates the video, it's going to give you a download option, and you can download this video and save into your computer and upload it to YouTube. So once you upload it to YouTube, you just have to write. Once you upload this to YouTube, you just have to put keywords like Yantra Manifestation Review. You have to use keywords like Yantra Manifestation Review. So as you can see, many people are using this method. So what you have to do is you have to upload your video as well. So when people are searching on YouTube and on Google for this product, to buy this product, about a review about this product, you're going to be showing up to as well, and you're going to make sales from this free traffic on YouTube. For example, these are your review videos that are already on YouTube, and you can add your own as well. So for example, this is a review video. As you can see, guys, this is an affiliate link on YouTube to the product. So take action on this method and implement it, and you can get great results with this. So I'm asking you guys to take action and try this method for yourself, and you're going to get results with this method. So that is it, guys. If you found value in this video, please click on the like and subscribe button, and please comment on the link below. Please comment below which videos you want me to create next, and also click on the link below to check out my step-by-step method that I recommend to get started to make money online. So that is it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.